It is Sunday the 8th of April 2018. I've come up to Byermoor, which is one of the villages in my ward, because residents are concerned about the amount of fly tipping that's going on. So I've just had a look down at the appalling amount of fly tipping near the village. Frankly, I really despise people who go fly tipping. I think they're selfish, inconsiderate, horrible people, and the sooner we can catch them, the better. Well, having just left Byermoor, I've now arrived at the office where I'm going to finish the printing that I started last night. Just sent through the Berkeley annual report to the printer from the desktop here, so that is the next on my list. The next one should have the colour on it. Oh, there it goes. So what we have to do now is put in the number. So we need 4,000, hit high speed because we don't want to be here forever, and then well, strange places for meeting, but I've left the office. Not quite finished what I was doing, but I've come down here to Watergate car park. It's the car park at the Watergate Park, and I've just met up with Kevin McCleary to pick up another batch of leaflets to deliver in Dunstan. And Kevin is waiting for more helpers to arrive, hopefully. Well, now that we've got a period of dry weather, we are taking the opportunity to use the chainsaw to chop up some of the logs that we need doing for fuel. These are branches that we took off the hedges last year, and we've gradually been working our way through chopping them all up, but we've still got quite a few left to do.